guys, if you're not here, you are missing the Night Drivers and London Street Racers collab tonight in London. It's gonna be madness. Let's get going and see what is going on tonight at this car meet. UK's stanciest Peugeot. This is Dom's 508, and he's here right in the middle of this roundabout where Sens are going to be handling. Yeah, drifting, and we are walking. Imagine what?
Imagine the spoiler like that on my car.
He wants a spoiler like that. You can't really see it on this 508. It's freaking huge. So this is it. Spend most of the night. You burn a bit of calories walking. You see a bit of madness. You see a bit of police. You see it all. It's a good Friday.
We're walking because we spent all money on the cars and we don't have for petrol.
Yeah, we are walking because we've run out of fuel, basically. Just like that, we are moving as quickly as that. That is the thing with the car meets. The game is to be ahead of the police at all times. So, let's go. See, that's beautiful. Oh, everyone's going. Absolute madness. Madness, genuine madness. As you can see, this whole road is full to the brim with people that are rolling down to that end point. Mad selection. Lovely selection of cars. Someone's popping and banging like mad over here. The source of the noise. it for the night for myself. It was only short-lived. We've got a long old journey home, but it was a cracking little night. Nice bit of action. As you can see all around me now, it's madness. I don't think I am going to be getting out of here anytime soon. Gonna lie. The drifting's going on down there, and everyone's just parked. Well, I think these are all the lines of the drifters, potentially, to be fair. There's a mad amount of cars here. But we're on the escape now before ULEZ comes in for another day, so, well, if I can even get my Audi out, we will see. Guys, let me know what you thought of tonight's meet, and I'll see you at the next one very soon.